Today's international conference held in Baku discussed different ways and opportunities by means of which Azerbaijan could use best practices of European countries in the fight against corruption. The event was organized by the Public Union for the Development of Relations between Society and Citizens as part of the project Fight Against Corruption, New Thoughts, New Approaches, New Forces, implemented with the support of Marshall Foundation. Guseth Cristina Adrian, head of the Romanian Department of Freedom House organization, spoke about the mechanisms of anti-corruption fight in the EU countries. The regulatory framework to fight corruption in Romania is the Law on Access to Information. This document guarantees journalists access to any official government documents. It should be noted that the Azerbaijani government is moving in a completely opposite direction, and recently the president approved new amendments to the legislation which restrict access to commercial information and information on company owners. In Romania, another important anti-corruption instrument is the law about sunlight. This figurative expression refers to the need for public discussion of laws before their adoption. In addition, Romania has a law on so-called messengers. These people report about instances of corruption. Of course, they are threatened for it, and the law provides them with an extra defense, explained the expert. Practical work in fighting corruption is conducted by an independent national agency of anti-corruption investigations. As emphasized by the expert, the fight against corruption needs constant measures in this area, and not campaigns. Georgian expert Eka Gegeshidze reported on successful reforms as a result of which corruption fell significantly in Georgia, particularly in the areas of customs, police, health, etc. Mehmet Nuriev, coordinator of the anti-corruption network of NGOs in Azerbaijan, praised the recent steps by Azerbaijani authorities in building e-government and joining International Open Government Initiative. However, these steps must be supported by improvement of legislations. In particular, there is a need to adopt laws on conflict of interest by officials, on criminal liability of legal entities, and on the legal protection of persons reporting corruption. Along with the laws increasing penalties for corruption, it is important to improve the business climate and adopt laws on prevention of undue economic examinations, on the procedure of issuing licenses which is currently defined by the Cabinet of Ministers, and on the Code of Competition, said Nuriev.